Hello students, welcome to political science class. Last time we have started chapter 1 Constitution Why and How, in which we have discussed the need and importance of the constitution. Now we will discuss the authority and the power of the constitution. Before authority, what is constitution? Constitution है क्या? लास्ट टाइम भी हमने डिस्कस किया था कि कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन एक कानून की किताब है, एक लॉ बुक सेट ऑफ बेसिक रूल्स। बहुत सारी कंट्री में सिर्फ ये एक मेयर डॉक्यूमेंट है जो प्रैक्टिकली बिल्कुल भी फॉलो नहीं होता। इट हैज़ नो इफेक्टिवनेस. But what is the authority and power of constitution in our country? In our country, it is a supreme document. Supreme document means it is above government, above system, and it is very effective, legitimate as well as respectable document which can be proved with the help of three factors. First of all, the mode of promulgation. Second, the substantive provision of the constitution, and the third factor was balanced institutional design. Now, first of all, the mode of promulgation. Mode of promulgation means how the constitution came into being, who crafted it, and what was the authority of the constitution maker. So, in this point, we will discuss the role of the Constituent Assembly. Now, what was the role of the Constituent Assembly? Constituent Assembly was formed in December 1946 and they completed their final draft by November 1949. Now the question arises that who were the makers of the constitution? Why they were having so much authority and the credibility among the people? So they were having a great impact on the people because they themselves were the real strugglers of the country. They were very popular leaders who themselves led the national movements and participated in the long struggle of independence. There are so many countries which have successful constitution like India, South Africa and USA. They have successful constitution because these have been made after a long struggle of independence. Now the second factor is substantive provisions of the constitution. Means कि constitution के rules and regulation जो है वो सबके लिए क्या हैं, equal हैं. It convinces everyone to follow the constitution. इसमें कोई partiality नहीं है. It is giving equal respect, equal rights to everyone. That's why everyone has the reason to follow it. There is no partiality. It is reflecting the identity, it is reflecting the rights of everyone. There is no majority or minority in the country. Majority and minority both are getting the equal rights. Majority is not getting any special benefits and minority is also not depriving of any benefit given in the country. And the third factor is balanced institutional design. Balanced institutional design means no single institution is getting the monopoly power or the unlimited power. There is a division of power among the different institutions of the government, and there is an intelligent system of check and balance. That work of one institution will be checked by the another. And there is a balance from second point of view is there, that there is a rigidity that no one can change the provisions of the constitution, as well as there is a flexibility that it can be changed if there are new aspirations, new needs of the people, society or the time. So it is reflecting that there is a possibility to change, but as well as it puts the limit on the change. Now all these three factors tells about the authority of the constitution, that it is powerful because of mode of promulgation, how it came into being, what are the provisions of the constitution. It also convinces everyone to follow the constitution. And balanced institutional design also gives the justification that the power will not remain in the hand of one institution. It has rigidity that nobody can change the provision, as well as it has flexibility also that it can be changed according to the need of the time. So students, last time we have discussed the need and importance, and now we have discussed the authority of the constitution. The assignment related to this topic has been uploaded on the school website. So please do it side by side so that we can complete our work on time.